Good morning, children. Take your English grammar book, separate book, functional English grammar and composition book. In this up to page number 10, I have explained you in previous class what is the subject and predicate of page number 9. A sentence can divide into two parts. One is called subject and one is called predicate. But what is called subject? Name of a person or a place or an animal or a thing. This comes under subject. Then what is called predicate? Telling something about the subject is called predicate. Telling something about, further information about what subject is called predicate. So first sentence of first part and second part, like let's say I explain someone is eating an ice cream. A peacock has beautiful feathers. All this I have explained in previous class. Suman is the name of a girl, comes under subject. Is eating an ice cream, comes under predicate. So verb always in predicate only. Page number 9 and 10 already I have explained you. See here, and next here some sentences are see. Read the following below. See, go out. There is no subject. Stand up. Stop. Come in. In the above examples, there is no subject, children. Then how can we find out the subject? There is no subject. Then what is subject in these? Isn't it so? In such cases, what will you do? The subject is understood to be you and is therefore left out. So you have to think about you are only the subject in such type of cases, such type of sentences. You are only the subject. Up to page number 10 I have explained you in previous class. In today's class, practice time of page number 11, children. Here they have given 14 sentences. In page number 11, see children, our grammar book. See what is the headings here? Divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. You can circle the subject and underline the predicate. One has been done for you. Done for you means done for us already. One, it was completed. What we have to do in this 1 to 14 sentences? See, first one. See children. In C number 1, what you know? The man is selling toys. The man is selling toys. Okay, the man is selling toys. See what is the heading? Divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. Okay, you can circle the subject. So which is the subject here? Name of the man. This is called subject, children. Telling something about the subject is called predicate. So is selling toys is predicate. Verb is in the predicate only, selling. What the man is doing? The man is selling toys. Okay, children. See, one has done for us already. Coming to second one. See here. What is second one? We can go to the bookstore together. We can go to the bookstore together. This is the complete sentence. What is the sentence? Also I told in previous class. So we is subject, can go to the bookstore together, like that. Coming to 3. She behaved foolishly. What is subject? She. She is a pronoun. Is it a noun and pronoun both comes under subject only? She is a subject. You have to encircle. Behaved foolishly. Underline. That is predicate. You have to do like this, children. Coming to fourth one. I cannot walk anymore. I is a subject. Cannot walk anymore, predicate. Just in 1 to 14 sentences, circle the subject and underline the predicate, children. Okay? So we can understand easily which is called subject and which is called predicate. This is, see, do the homework in the book itself. Next, turn the page. Page number 12, children. Page number 12, D. What is, see this heading? Add subjects or predicates as required. Required means necessary. To complete the following sentences. So here this 1 to 14 sentences are there. In this, no, some we have, for some sentences we have to write subject. For some sentences we have to write predicate, children. See here, D. What is first one? Dash is my favorite sport. You know what is difference between sports and games? Games, no, team. Many members will be, many players will be there, like what, cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho, football, volleyball, isn't it? Many members will be there, playing together. And sports, individual game, getting one only getting the prize, winning the prize. So dash is my favorite sport. Here they have given the predicate. We have to write the subject to get the complete sense of this sentence, children. You can write any sport. Long jump, high jump, disc, javelin throw, and next running race. Like you have to write and fill the blank. Okay, children. Next, coming to second one. What is second one? Dash is delivering letters. Who is bringing the letter? Dash is delivering the letters. Who is bringing the letters to our house? The postman. So for this 1 and 2 we have to write subject. Coming to third one, children. What is third one here? What is third one? Nidhi. Nidhi is dash. We have to write predicate. Nidhi is what? Writing. Like that you can write any sentence, but that gives us full meaning of the sentence, children. Writing. Nidhi is writing her homework. You can write like this. Like this, children. To complete this, you can write any sentence, but where subject is required, where predicate is required, you have to read the sentence very carefully and fill this one, children. Okay, see, coming to 13th one, dash is also called the red planet, Mars. Like that you have to write here subject. And see, coming to 7th one, birds, dash or dash. Means birds is the subject name of bird. This one, birds are flying in the sky. Next, Sachin Tendulkar is the name of a person. Dash. Sachin Tendulkar is what? Known as all-rounder. Like that you have to fill this 1 to 14 sentences with subject or predicate wherever necessary or required. Okay, children, do it in the test, this grammar book only. Right.